Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how easily we can change our Windows 11 password if we in case got forgotten. To do that, what we need to do is we need to simply click on menu button and then we can click on settings. Then we need to click here on account, then click on your info, and then here you need to click on manage my account. This will basically take you to Windows website, and there what we need to do is we need to click here on change password. Now after, you need to enter your password. Since we want to change it, then we can click here on forgot password. Then you may need to verify your identity and need to enter your recovery email such that you can receive the code. Now I will check my recovery email to see the code and will enter the same. After that, the prompt will appear where you can reset your password. Now enter your password. Now enter your new password that you would like to set. Now you may enter the new password that you would like to set. After that, you may click OK. And that's how guys we can successfully change our password. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content. And I will catch you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.